Did you know that right now, at this very moment, your skin cells are trying to repair themselves? It's true. Every single day, your body launches millions of cellular repair processes to keep your skin looking youthful and vibrant. But certain foods in your daily diet are actively sabotaging this natural repair process, silently accelerating your skin's aging and preventing your body's natural stem cell activation. In the next 15 minutes, I'm going to reveal the 5 most common foods that are secretly damaging your skin's cellular repair mechanisms. More importantly, I'll share the revolutionary approach that's helping thousands of people over 50 restore their skin's natural repair processes without expensive creams, painful injections, or invasive procedures. You'll understand exactly how to eliminate these cellular saboteurs from your diet and how to activate your body's own stem cell production to repair and rejuvenate your skin from the inside out. This isn't about temporary fixes. It's about addressing the root cause at the cellular level. As we've discussed in previous videos, there's really only one disease, cellular malfunction. And there are just 2 causes, deficiency and toxicity. Today, we're focusing on how certain foods create both of these problems specifically for your skin cells. Billions of dollars are spent every year on beauty products that treat skin from the outside. But our skin is our body's largest organ, and a large part of its health comes from taking care of it from the inside. The stem cell revolution represents a fundamental shift in how we approach healing, supporting the body's innate regenerative capabilities rather than merely masking symptoms. Let's first understand what happens in healthy skin. Your skin has multiple layers, and the structure of these layers needs to be strong for firmness and elasticity. Collagen is the main structural protein that supports our skin by creating a fibrous network that reinforces the tissue. Unfortunately, as we age, our body produces less collagen, and what we have breaks down more easily. We start losing about 1% of the collagen in our skin per year, starting around age 20. This is what visibly ages our skin. But here's what most people don't realize. Your body has specialized stem cells that can trigger new collagen production and cellular repair. These stem cells become less active as we age, but they're still there, waiting to be reactivated. Think about your skin cells like a finely tuned orchestra. When everything is working properly, they create beautiful harmony, producing adequate collagen, maintaining proper hydration, and efficiently removing toxins. But when certain foods introduce inflammatory compounds or deprive your cells of essential nutrients, that harmony quickly turns to discord. Your skin cells continually go through a regeneration cycle. New cells are born in the deepest layer of the epidermis and gradually work their way to the surface over about 28 days. As we age, this process slows down, taking 40 to 60 days or longer. At the molecular level, your skin cells require specific nutrients to function optimally. Vitamins A, C, and E protect skin cells from oxidative damage. Zinc and copper support enzyme functions necessary for collagen synthesis, and specific amino acids like proline and glycine serve as building blocks for new collagen molecules. The first and perhaps most damaging food for your skin's cellular repair process is refined sugar. When you consume foods high in refined sugar, you trigger a process called glycation. Glycation occurs when sugar molecules attach to proteins like collagen and elastin, forming advanced glycation end products, or AGEs. These AGEs make your collagen and elastin fibers stiff and malformed, leading to wrinkles and sagging. Excess sugar triggers inflammation at the cellular level, which diverts your body's repair resources away from normal maintenance. Studies have shown that people with consistently high blood sugar levels appear to age faster and show more visible signs of skin aging than those who maintain stable blood sugar levels. Instead of refined sugar, opt for natural sweeteners like raw honey, maple syrup, or whole fruits. These contain beneficial nutrients and antioxidants that can actually support skin health. Stevia and monk fruit are excellent zero glycemic options that won't trigger the glycation process. The second skin saboteur is processed vegetable oils, things like soybean oil, corn oil, sunflower oil, and canola oil, found in virtually all processed foods. These oils are extremely high in omega-6 fatty acids, which when consumed in excess, create a serious imbalance in your body's inflammatory response. This imbalance creates chronic, low-grade inflammation throughout your body, including your skin. These oils are often oxidized before you even consume them, introducing free radicals directly into your system that further damage your skin cells and inhibit your body's natural stem cell function. Replace processed vegetable oils with extra virgin olive oil, avocado oil, or coconut oil. These contain beneficial fatty acids and antioxidants that support cell membrane health. Additionally, incorporate omega-3 rich foods like wild-caught salmon, chia seeds, and walnuts to help restore balance to your fatty acid intake. The third major skin saboteur is alcohol. While an occasional glass of wine might have some benefits, regular alcohol consumption is devastating for your skin's cellular repair processes. Alcohol is a diuretic, causing dehydration that directly impacts your skin cells' ability to function properly. Alcohol depletes your body of vital nutrients needed for cellular repair, particularly B vitamins, vitamin A, and zinc, all essential for skin health. It also disrupts your sleep patterns, and it's during deep sleep that your body performs most of its cellular repair work. Research has shown that even moderate alcohol consumption can reduce stem cell proliferation and impair their ability to differentiate into the specific cell types needed for repair. When you drink alcohol, your liver prioritizes metabolizing this toxin above all other functions, diverting resources that could be directed towards skin repair. Instead of alcoholic beverages, try infused water with berries and herbs, or sparkling water with a splash of tart cherry or pomegranate juice. Herbal teas like rooibos, hibiscus, and green tea contain compounds that actively support skin health and stem cell function. The fourth skin saboteur might be surprising: gluten-containing grains. For many people, gluten can trigger an inflammatory response that manifests in the skin. This inflammation disrupts the entire cellular repair process. When your body is constantly fighting inflammation triggered by gluten sensitivity, it can't properly allocate resources to normal skin cell regeneration. Gluten consumption has also been linked to increased intestinal permeability, which allows partially digested food particles and toxins to enter your bloodstream, triggering immune responses that further damage your skin from within. Substitute gluten-containing grains with nutrient-dense alternatives like quinoa, buckwheat, amaranth, and millet. For baking, try almond flour, coconut flour, or cassava flour, which offer protein and healthy fats. Sweet potatoes can replace pasta or bread while providing beta-carotene, crucial for skin cell repair. The fifth major skin saboteur is dairy products. Conventional dairy contains growth hormones and inflammatory proteins that can disrupt your skin's natural balance. Dairy products, particularly milk, contain growth factors designed to rapidly grow a calf. When humans consume these growth factors, they can stimulate oil production in the skin and influence cell proliferation in ways that aren't always beneficial. Many dairy products have a high glycemic load, which can lead to glycation and inflammation. The casein and whey proteins in dairy can also trigger inflammatory responses in many people, further compromising skin cell function. Explore plant-based alternatives like almond milk, coconut milk, or oat milk. For protein, choose plant-based options like hemp seeds and lentils, or quality animal proteins like wild-caught fish and pasture-raised eggs. For calcium, incorporate dark leafy greens, sesame seeds, and calcium-fortified plant milks. Now that we understand what's damaging our skin at the cellular level, let's talk about the revolutionary approach to restoring your skin's natural repair processes. The key lies in understanding that your body already has everything it needs to repair and rejuvenate your skin. You have stem cells throughout your body that can transform into whatever cell type is needed for repair. The problem is that as we age, these stem cells become less active. This is where the breakthrough of stem cell technology comes in. This technology works by reactivating your body's own stem cells, particularly a type called GHK-Cu, or copper peptides. These copper peptides play a crucial role in activating stem cells for tissue repair, signaling your body to start healing and regenerating damaged tissue, including skin. When your stem cells are properly activated, they can stimulate new collagen production, repair damaged skin cell DNA, reduce inflammation at the cellular level, improve skin elasticity and firmness, and accelerate healing of scars and blemishes. All of this happens naturally, from the inside out. Research has shown that certain peptides can penetrate the skin and interact with receptors on skin cells, triggering a cascade of cellular events that lead to increased collagen synthesis and improved elasticity. What's revolutionary about the stem cell technology patch is that it delivers these peptides in a controlled, sustained release directly to your cells, bypassing the digestive system where many oral supplements lose their potency. While eliminating the 5 skin saboteurs is essential, there are also foods that powerfully support your skin's cellular repair processes. Focus on foods rich in antioxidants like berries, dark leafy greens, and orange vegetables. Include plenty of omega-3 rich foods like walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds. Ensure adequate protein intake from quality sources and include zinc-rich foods like pumpkin seeds, lentils, and chickpeas. Some specific skin-supporting superfoods include bone broth, rich in collagen and amino acids, wild salmon, containing astaxanthin and omega-3s, avocados, rich in healthy fats and vitamin E, cruciferous vegetables, which activate genes involved in cellular protection, and green tea, containing catechins that rejuvenate aging skin cells. When you combine eliminating the 5 skin saboteurs with proper nutrition and stem cell technology, the results can be truly remarkable. We've seen people experience visible improvements in their skin's appearance in as little as 30 days, with significant transformation by day 90. Let me share the experience of Sarah, a 57-year-old client who had spent thousands on expensive creams and treatments without seeing lasting results. After learning about the cellular approach to skin health, she eliminated the 5 saboteurs and incorporated the skin-supporting foods we discussed. She also began using the stem cell technology patch. Within 45 days, she noticed her skin looked more hydrated and plump. By day 90, friends were asking if she'd had work done. Her fine lines had diminished, and her skin had a radiance that no cream had ever provided. The most surprising change for her was that the eczema she'd battled for decades had completely cleared up. The key difference in Sarah's approach was that she was addressing skin aging at its source, the cellular level, rather than just treating the surface symptoms. This is the fundamental shift that the stem cell revolution represents in skincare. To recap, the 5 skin saboteurs to eliminate or significantly reduce are refined sugar, processed vegetable oils, alcohol, gluten-containing grains, and dairy products. Remember, this isn't about perfection, it's about progress. Even reducing these foods can make a significant difference in your skin's appearance and health. The beauty of this cellular approach is that it doesn't just improve your skin, it enhances your overall health. Many people who adopt this way of eating report improved energy, better sleep, reduced joint pain, and enhanced mental clarity. If you're serious about transforming your skin from the inside out, I encourage you to try eliminating these 5 skin saboteurs for just 30 days while supporting your body's natural repair processes. For those who want to accelerate their results, consider the stem cell technology patch we've discussed today. Remember, true beauty isn't about fighting against aging, it's about supporting your body's natural processes of repair and renewal. When you address the cellular foundations of skin health, the visible results take care of themselves.